everyone, welcome back to Andrew Planet. Today I've got something for all the chess lovers out there, a digital chess clock by Armory. I've picked this up from Amazon Australia for $51.67 and it even came with free international delivery. Let's unbox it, check out the settings and see if it's any good. Alright, let's open this up. Inside the box, we've got the chess clock itself and the instruction manual. Okay. Now, we also have to take off the foil, of course. And well, not much else. No battery included, but that's fine. I've got an AA battery here. So, we'll pop that in and power it up. So pop the battery in, as we see on the instructions. What we have to do is lift this flap up, take it out, and then we put the minus to the spring and the plus to the opposite direction. When you hear that beep, it's okay. Now, we put this back in like this. We have to shove it in like this, so the slot goes in, and then you push it in. First impressions, it's pretty lightweight. The buttons feel decent and the display is clear. The build quality is not bad for the price. Now let's go through some of the settings and see what this thing can do. This clock comes with different time controls, great for Blitz, Rapids or even classical chess. Let's try setting a basic 5-minute timer for a Blitz game. So, let's turn it on. Here it is. Pull lever. And now, you have to hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now, to move along, because we're going for 5 minutes. So, to do plus, add 1 minute, then 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. Or you can do, for example, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. You can do 3 minutes, for example. So the real example is 5 minutes. If we move on, this already automatically sets up for us. So yes, then you hold this for 3 seconds again. So it will stop flicking. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And there we go. It also has a delay option, which is super useful for serious games. So, is this Armory clock worth it? For the price, I'd say yes. It's affordable, functional and easy to use. If you're a casual player or need a budget-friendly clock, this does the job. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you'd like to see more chess-related comment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. For more tech, chess, unboxings, wildlife, and more fun on Alan J. Planet. See you in the next one.